everyone, this is Elaine from Guangzhou SIPUXIN machinery. Now let me introduce 15,000 liters CIP cleaning system behind me. Look, the equipment is composed of whole water tank, alkali tank, acid tank. The whole set of equipment is made of high quality stainless steel, Austin stainless steel. The tank is installer label ladle. It can protect label safe and it helps the post maintenance. The stainless steel is made of is adult SUS stainless steel 304. The bottle is connected pipeline system. You can see the pipe is connected soft tube. The soft tube will connect the pneumatic diaphragm pump. Another end will connect the concentrated alkali tank, alkali bellow, or concentrated acid bellow. And the acid and alkali liquid will flow into the main tank through the pneumatic diaphragm pump. Now let me introduce bottle pipeline system. Now you can see this is a charge pipe. This is a circulating pipe. This is discharge valve. We open the valve. The dirty material will flow out from here. This is circulating valve. We open the valve. The material inside tank can be circulation. The run item is phonometer. And this one is liquid level meter. It can test the depth of tank inside. Now you can see this is 1,500 liters concentrated acid and alkali bellows. It should be noted that the acid and alkali concentration added to these two bellows should not exceed 30%. When the two bellows are connected to the pneumatic diaphragm pump, we should pay attention to the sealing of the interface to prevent leakage. Operators must wear protective equipment. There are three valves on the top of tank. The first valve is inlet valve. Its function is sustains the material inside tank. The second valve is spraying valve. Its function is cleaning the tank inside. The last one valve is circulation valve. Its function is same as bottle circulation valve. Now you can see this is a PLC control panel. It controls the switch of the whole cleaning system. Now you can see this is panel, a Siemens brand. This is power light. This is emergency stop. When anything happens, we can press it and the whole system will be stopped. Now you can see there is a fan. It can cool in the temperature inside the box. The electrical control cabinet is made of stainless steel SUS 304. We can push the button, then open the electrical box. Now you can see this is PLC program mode. All the electrical component is clean and tidy. Now you can see this is Schneider brand. Schneider brand. And this is a Siemens brand. Now you can see this is netted compressor for offer the driven. How to heat the material inside tank. Now you can see the bottle has circulating valve. We can open the circulating valve and the pump centrifugal pump will suck the material into the plate heat exchanger. When the material reach up to the set temperature, the liquid will return to the tank. The prepare work has done. The rest of tank operation is same as the tank. When all the heating work are prepared, the liquid will be sent out to the other tanks by self-priming pump. Now you can see this is PLC control panel, Siemens brand. It has two versions, Chinese version, English version. Now this is English version. You can see the part, parameter set, home, CIP. It means for automatic mode, manual screen, alarm screen. Let's go to the manual screen. Now you can see hot water chain, alkali chain, acid chain. There are many valves and pumps. Let's go back manual. CIP for automatic mode. You can see there are three tanks: hot water chain, alkali chain, acid chain. There are many valves, pipeline, pump to organize the system. This is preparation pump: hot water, alkali water, acid water. Hot water circulation. Let's go back the hot water pump. Place here start. And next day. Oh, you can see this is circulation low. Let's turn off. Let's go back manual. Alarm screen, parameter set. Now you can see this is a water injection set. We can say the water inside chair, how many kilogram, and eddy cocoa time, temperature set, cleaning set, level set. That's all. Let's go back manual. Okay. The purpose of CIP cleaning is to remove the dirt adhering to machinery to prevent the growth of microorganisms during this period. Its advantage is following: 1. Able to make production plan reasonable and improve production efficiency. 2. Compare with hand wash. Not only does it not affecting the cleaning effect due to difference in operators, but also it can improve product quality. 3. To prevent the danger in cleaning operation and save labor force. 4. It can save detergent, water, steam, and production costs. 5. It can increase the useful life of the part of the machine and equipment.
This machine is commonly used for auxiliary equipment for food and beverage production lines. It provides nitric acid and nitric alkali cleaning solutions of appropriate concentration and temperature for in-situ cleaning acts, disinfection of containers and pipelines. The equipment has functions such as automatic acid and alkali preparation, automatic temperature control, and automatic acid and alkali recovery.